They're 5 kgs off the Coast Guard emergency channel. I pick them up in wide FM mode. Is that air mod, cross mod from the radio station? Let me go check the radio station. No, the 1380 AM station I thought was maybe creating havoc. It's playing music. Well, the radio is picking up Intermod something. No, the front end's not very tight. We're being so wide on the 100 kcs to 1.3 gigs. Sound of the beat. For some radio stations got exposed emission. Those are the filtering of the radio. They got me, guys. 5243 megas. Okay, the radio stations I have around here are 94.5, 97.1, 98.1, 105.3. I checked all those. It's not talk radio like these guys, so it's not 1380. To show you. There's 1380. 98.1 play music. I checked all the radio stations. Disperse mission for the receiver on this thing just so damn wide it's picking up something somewhere.